Wait, is that water? Why is he pouring it all over an electrical circuit? Shouldn't that instantly destroy it? Well, not exactly, because that's probably not water. It's most likely isopropyl alcohol. And that tiny detail makes a huge difference. Most people are taught one simple rule: water and electricity don't mix. So when you see technicians literally soaking circuit boards in a clear liquid, it looks completely wrong. But here's the twist. The liquid is often specifically chosen because it's safe for electronics. And in some cases, engineers even use water itself. But the clear liquid you're most likely seeing is isopropyl alcohol. It dissolves dirt, grease, flux residue, and contaminants that can cause electrical problems. Unlike water, it evaporates very quickly and leaves very little residue behind. That's why electrical technicians use it to clean circuit boards, connectors, sensors, and electrical contacts. But here's where things get interesting. Sometimes engineers actually do use water. Not tap water, not bottled water, but highly purified deionized water. In electronics manufacturing, circuit boards are often washed to remove residues left behind during production. The boards are then carefully dried before use. So while most technicians reach for alcohol, specialized manufacturing processes may use purified water. The important part isn't whether the liquid is clear, it's what's inside it. A circuit board might survive a bath in isopropyl alcohol. It might even survive a wash with deionized water followed by proper drying. But a few drops of dirty water or even tap water can leave behind minerals, corrosion, and conductive paths that cause failures later. So the next time you see someone pouring a water-like liquid onto electronics, don't panic just yet. The real question isn't, is that water? The real question is, what kind of liquid is it? Have you ever seen something that looked completely wrong but was actually correct? If so, you'll probably enjoy my video on why sharks don't always attack divers. And if you like exploring surprising science and engineering, consider subscribing.